Hi, this is Kim, Disney Girl Kim. Have you ever been packing for your Disney trip and thought, oh my gosh, what if I forget something I need? Well, I thought it might be good for everyone to know what exactly can you buy at Disney in case of an emergency, or if you don't feel like packing heavily. What kinds of toiletry items, sundries, do they have to offer? I'm going to show you what they have today. Follow me. All right, here we are. So if maybe you don't have a lot of room to pack in your luggage, or you just don't want to bring a whole lot with you, or you forget something, here's what you can expect to find without having to rush out to your local Walmart or do an Amazon order or Instacart or anything like that. We have stuff for contact lens wearers. If you've been in the parks all day. Q-tips. We have allergy medicine. Gonna ride Guardians of the Galaxy? You might need some Dramamine. We have Motrin and aspirin and Tylenol. Every kind of pain reliever that you could need. Tummy troubles, we got that covered. Vapor rub. We have hand sanitizer. I actually forgot to bring a toothbrush one time, and you can purchase a bamboo toothbrush and your toothpaste. We have feminine products, cough drops, batteries. We even have, if you are international and coming over to the States and forget a plug-in adapter, we've got that. Eyeglass repair kits, a fun saver camera. That would be fun. Everything you would need for your bathroom. Band-aids, of course. Gotta have the Band-aids. Bug spray. Benadryl. Stuff for the baby. Didn't bring enough baby food? They got you covered here. Pull-up strollers, fans. Got it all. So there you have it. Just wanted to let you know, when it comes to something that you may not have packed or would want to bring with you in your luggage, the Toiletries and Sundries area at every Disney resort has you covered. Have a great afternoon. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe the video, and have a good day. I'll see you soon at Walt Disney World.